So this is our demo for Industry 4.2 industrial monitoring solution. So here we have a setup where we are having a induction motor and which is controlled by your VFD, and all the commands are going from the HMI panel, and PLC is there for the control and measuring RPM. And then we are having our UCT Edge IoT Gateway, which is taking all the parameters using RS485 communication input. So here you can see like all the data is generated on the HMI panel, and here you see the motor spinning, and now all this data is going to on our server for monitoring. So here on my tablet, if you can see, these all the parameters are coming on the tablet device. You get all the graphs and gauges for all the parameters you are monitoring. On the same time, this dashboard can be also accessed on the laptop itself or a computer monitor or from the mobile device.